Another update. So, my father goes to my tita. So, right now, the only person in the house would be me, my younger brothers. So, we have three people in our house, and yeah. So, most of the times, I would be probably opening and checking my emails, and also applying for a job, and also playing League of Legends. So yeah, that's it. And I'm also doing my daily routine. So right now I will do my um workout. I did my yoga earlier this day, so I'll do my workout before 6 or 6 6 p.m. That's on my alarm, so I wouldn't miss it.